As you can see, this question number 2 is similar to the question number 1, where at time t equal to 0, car X traveling with V0 constant velocity passing car Y. That means at time equal to 0, the car X already passed car Y, and car Y is now started moving from 0 velocity. So at time equal to 0, this is what happening. Moving with v0 velocity, car Y is moving v is equal to 80. That means it is accelerating. From the graph, we can figure out that it is accelerating. This is a v versus t graph. Both the cars are traveling on the parallel lanes, as you can see, of the same road. The graphs of speed versus time graph both are shown above. So from this graph, I can figure out car X is moving constant velocity, car Y is moving with accelerated motion. From t equal to 0 to t equal to 40 seconds, the areas under the curve are equal. So this area that is under this curve is equal to this area under this curve. Okay. So in that case, they're asking, therefore, which of the following is true at t is equal to 40 seconds? So at t is equal to 40 seconds, what is true if the areas under the curves are similar? Now area, let us look at the formula of area. Area is so if I consider this to be a rectangular or if I consider this to be a square, okay, square like, so okay, let us consider this to be rectangular area. So this is rectangular area. So the area of a rectangle is area of rectangle. This is V, this is T. So area will be V into T. Now what is V into T? V is S by T into displacement by time into time. So time gets cancelled. S, we get S. S is what? Displacement. That means area under any curve here is actually displacement. Since both the areas under the curve is similar, area X is equal to area Y. That means X SX is equal to SY. Displacement by X is equal to displacement by Y. So that means the car Y is passing the car because both they have reached some point where both are at the same position. Okay, if the car X is here, car Y is here, and that means the car Y will be passing the car since it is accelerating. Okay, so this is the answer. Option number B is the correct answer.